In this video, I will show you how to assemble a 3-phase AC grid port connector safely. Poorly fitting or badly crimped connectors can lead to a complete power loss in the entire system. So let's go through the steps to prepare a connector together. Here you can see the parts of our AC connector. You will also need a crimping tool and a crosshead screwdriver. We have this cable, 10 millimeters square, 5A WG. This is a 3-phase cable with neutral earth, phase 3, phase 2, and phase 1. I have placed the pieces in the order we will use them. Okay, let's start. Place the first piece and push it as far as you can. I like to put it approximately 20 centimeters away to give myself some space to move around. Next, place the ceiling plug. It should be around 10 centimeters away from the tip of the cable. Then place the next piece. We have a number designator for each hole on the connector. Bases are decided directly from the circuit breaker. Make sure to check the circuit breaker and align the colors. Ensure that phase 3 from the circuit breaker is phase 3 here. You need a crosshead screwdriver. The screws are here. We removed them. Make sure to crimp the cables in a round shape before moving on to the next stage. Now, let's assemble our connector. Place each cable into its designated hole. Push the cables until they reach the top of the hole. Then screw them in to secure. Pull on each wire to ensure it is securely attached. Place the last wire. Before finishing, pull the wires again to check if everything is properly connected. Bring the pieces up. Match the dents inside the connector pieces while bringing them together. Here I have one, and here I have two. Twist to ensure the indentations match. It's a poke yoke system to help us avoid making mistakes here. Now, I can close it. Make sure to push until you hear the click sound. You can pull back again to check if it is connected appropriately. Check the clips on the sides. If they are visible, you are good to go. Now you can bring the ceiling plug up. If the bars get stuck under the ceiling plug, you can push the bars up with your screwdriver. Don't apply too much force, you might break them. When this is done, bring the last component of the connector. And we are complete. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to check our expanding portfolio from the link below.